Okay, so let's dive in. Today we are unpacking, really plunging into the core of data center control with the NTI RACMUX-V17-N. It's that the heavy-duty 17-inch KVM drawer.
Right, and what's so fascinating is how much they managed to condense here.
Yeah.
You've got a complete command center monitor, keyboard, mouse, all squeezed into one, industrial strength drawer.
It's just one drawer.
Yeah, and when we say 1 RU, we mean it's only 1.75 inches high. That's so critical for space in these racks. Our mission today is really to distill the specs and figure out what makes this thing so robust.
And that kind of hardware comes with a price tag. We're looking at $1,745 for this, but it's also TAA compliant. For anyone who doesn't know, that means it meets strict U.S. government standards, so, high quality.
Well, server rooms are not gentle spaces, right?
Not at all.
So the physical design it's paramount. We're talking rugged steel construction, a durable powder coat finish. This is engineered to survive where, consumer electronics would just fail instantly.
But it's more than just a tough shell. I'm looking at the torque friction hinges. Anyone who's used a cheap KVM knows that wobble, or having it slammed shut. These hinges hold the LCD steady up to 120 degrees. It stays put.
Exactly. And it even locks into place when it's fully open, so no accidental sliding.
That's a good detail.
It is. They also designed it for one-person installation with front quick-release latches.
Yeah.
And that's impressive for something that weighs, 26 pounds?
Now, something in the name that I think is really important, the Numeric keypad. For an admin who's in the command line all day, typing IPs, subnet masks, that dedicated number pad is a lifesaver. It's about speed.
It's all about efficiency.
Yeah.
That's a functional choice that just speeds up your work. So moving on from the chassis, the connectivity is where it really starts to shine.
So just how versatile is this thing? I mean, for nearly $1,800, it had better handle pretty much anything I can throw at it.
It has to be a multi-platform chameleon, really.
Yeah.
And it is. The key is that it supports both modern USB and legacy PS2 systems at the same time. So you can run Windows, Solaris, Linux, FreeBSD, even MLSS, all through this one interface. No swapping hardware.
And there's a USB port on the front, right?
Yeah, USB 1.1 port. Perfect for a flash drive or something similar.
Let's talk display. The standard is a 17-inch TFT LCD, 1280 by 2024. That's reliable.
It is. But for serious diagnostic work, there's that optional high-res model, the V17-HRN. That bumps you up to 1920 by 1200.
That's a big jump.
It's huge. That means you can see a full 1080p command shell, or maybe 2 log windows side by side. It just makes work easier.
And the reliability numbers back this all up.
They do. The mean time between failures, the MTBF, is a staggering 40,530 hours for this model.
So that's the real takeaway for you listening. Over 4.5 years of nonstop operation. It's just built to last, even in temperatures up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit.
Right. And to tie it all together, you can pair this with NTI's KVM switches. So this one drawer, this single interface, suddenly becomes the command nexus for your entire infrastructure. PCs, SUN, Mechie computers, you name it.
So what this all really means is you're consolidating serious industrial-level control into the smallest space possible, that minimal 1RU slot. And you're doing it without sacrificing durability or key features like that numeric keypad or multi-system support. It's command, simplified.
And that kind of leaves us with a final thought. The source material notes this drawer can adjust for racks up to 40 inches deep.
Wow.
So here's something for you to think about. How much sheer system complexity, we're talking servers, networking, storage, can one single ruggedized 1RU interface actually manage in a modern data center? It's a powerful concentration of command.